Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel where you're going to improve your speaking ability. Today I'm about to tell you a very interesting story but also a mysterious one at the same time. But before that, don't forget to follow me and hit the like button. Thank you so much. The Whispering Woods. Amelia had always been curious by nature ever since she was a child. She had a penchant for exploring the unknown. Her small town of Everwood, nestled between rolling hills and dense forests, was a treasure trove of hidden wonders. However, there was one place that even the bravest townsfolk avoided: the Whispering Woods. Legend had it that the Whispering Woods was enchanted. The forest was said to be alive, with trees that murmured secrets and shadows that moved on their own. Amelia had heard these stories all her life, but unlike the others, they filled her with a sense of wonder rather than fear. She often found herself standing at the edge of the forest, listening intently to the soft rustling of leaves, trying to decipher their whispers. One crisp autumn afternoon, Amelia decided that it was time to uncover the truth. She packed a small bag with essentials, a flashlight, a notebook, and some snacks, and set off towards the Whispering Woods. The townsfolk watched her with a mix of admiration and concern, whispering among themselves about the girl who dared to venture into the forbidden forest. As Amelia stepped into the woods, she felt an immediate change of atmosphere. The air was cooler, and the sounds of town faded away, replaced by the symphony of the forest. She walked cautiously, her senses heightened, every snap of a twig and rustle of leaves making her heart race of excitement and trepidation. Deeper into the forest, Amelia noticed that the trees seemed to be arranged in a peculiar pattern, almost as if they were guiding her somewhere. She followed this natural path, her curiosity growing with each step. As the sun dipped below the horizon, the forest began to come alive. The whispers grew louder, more distinct. Amelia could almost make out words. Welcome, follow, discover. Guided by the whispers, she found herself in a small clearing. In the center stood an ancient oak tree, its gnarled branches stretching towards the sky. The tree seemed to glow with an otherworldly light, and at its base, Amelia noticed a small ornate box partially buried in the earth. With trembling hands, she unearthed the box and opened it. Inside, she found a collection of old letters and a locket. The letters were addressed to someone named Eleanor, and as Amelia read through them, she discovered the story of a forbidden love between Eleanor, the local girl, and a man named William, who was said to have magical powers. The townsfolk had forbidden their union, fearing William's abilities, and the couple had fled to the Whispering Woods, hoping to find solace and acceptance among the ancient trees. The locket contained a small, faded photograph of Eleanor and William, their faces alight with happiness. Amelia felt a connection to their story, a deep sense of empathy for their plight. She decided right then and there to honor their story by sharing their tale with the world. As she turned to leave, the whispers in the woods grew louder, more urgent. Amelia realized they were guiding her back to town, ensuring her safe passage. She followed the whispers, feeling a sense of peace and fulfillment she had never known before. Back in Everwood, Amelia shared Eleanor and William's story with the townsfolk. The tale of forbidden love and the enchanted forest captivated their hearts, changing their perception of the Whispering Woods. What was once a place of fear and superstition now became a symbol of love and acceptance. Amelia continued to visit the Whispering Woods, always feeling a sense of belonging among the ancient trees. The whispers became her friends, her guides, and she knew that the forest had chosen her to keep its secret and share its stories. Years later, as an old woman, Amelia would sit by the fire and recount her adventures in the Whispering Woods to the children of Everwood. The forest, with its whispers and secrets, remained a place of wonder and magic. And all this thanks to a girl who dared to listen and follow its call. I hope you liked the story, and I hope you guys learned a lot of vocabulary from this story. Feel free to tell the story again and again. Listen to it more than one time and try to tell the story to your friends. That's how you'll practice speaking English. Thank you so much, and don't forget to drop a comment.